Good afternoon. Wanted to catch up with everybody for a quick market minute. What a strong year we've had so far in the market. We've seen the S&P continue to grow. We've seen the Magnificent Seven, the 7 largest tech companies, continue to pull the market up higher. Here recently, we saw a very quick sell-off over the past couple weeks where the market corrected roughly about 7%. I would not let that scare you. We're going into some uncertain times as we roll into the election. Election years are usually positive, regardless of which party wins. It's the uncertainty leading up to it as to who's going to be in power that usually spooks the markets and investors a little bit. So I would not be surprised if we see a little bit of a pullback going into the election and then afterwards see the market continue to climb up from there. Like I've been saying last year and this year though, despite the market's strength and the continued growth that we're seeing within the market, remember right now we're facing the headwinds of the Federal Reserve. The Fed has raised interest rates to try to slow the economy down. And anytime we're slowing the economy down, we're hurting business, we're hurting consumers a little bit to control that inflation. So I would not be surprised to see a little bit of retraction here. In fact, part of what spurred this recent sell-off was the unemployment numbers ticking up. So we want to keep an eye on that. But the Fed has hinted at the fact that they're likely going to look at cutting rates in September. So we'll see if they actually go through with that. If that does happen, we'll see that as a good sign for the market. We'll see that as a good sign for the overall economy. In the meantime, we'll continue to look for opportunities and take advantage of them where we can. And recognizing that there's still opportunities in this market to be had. I don't believe that we're at the highs necessarily, and nor do I believe that we have to have a correction from here. But each year, the market will retract at least once throughout the year, about 15%. So I would not be surprised to see something along those lines happen this year, and still yet we could likely finish in the positive territory. There's a lot of different variables to take into account in this market and this economy right now. We remain diligent in watching what's happening and keeping up to date on the information as it's coming forth. And I'll keep you up to date as well. In the meantime, if you have questions about your account, you need help with anything, please reach out to us. We're here to help. And we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you as always. Have a great day.